Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the lock type and securing a safe workspace. Once identified as mechanical or electronic, remove power for electronic locks and put on eye protection. Safety first. Start by loosening the strike plate screws or exterior escutcheon using the appropriate screwdriver, exposing the lock body. If the cylinder is visible, apply a small amount of lubricant to ease movement. Make sure you keep parts organized so reassembly is straightforward. This first access step sets up every following action. Once the escutcheon and mounting screws are removed, you'll expose the cylinder and tailpiece. This is where you act carefully. Insert a tension wrench and attempt to pick the pins. If picking fails or the lock is damaged, drill the cylinder at the shear line with a 1/8 or 3/16 bit. Use low speed to avoid binding. After the pins are cleared, extract the plug with pliers or slide the tailpiece out. Make sure to retain all screws and mounting plates so the replacement fits correctly when installing a new lock. You finish by removing the lock body and strike plate, inspecting the door edge for splinters or misalignment. Repair as needed before fitting the new unit. Once the replacement or rekeyed cylinder is prepared, seat it, align the tailpiece, and tighten screws progressively to avoid warping. Test the latch and deadbolt operation several times. If the lock or bolt remains stuck, apply penetrating oil, try gentle heat, or stop and contact a locksmith to prevent irreversible damage. This troubleshooting step protects.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.